Namaste, Yogi Virendra Yogi.
Namaste.
This is Dr. Satyanarayana.
You are welcome.
What is the problem between India and China?
Yes, sir.
Why the brave soldiers are dying?
Oh, Dr. Satyanarayana, this is a long dispute between India and China. The problem has not been solved. When India became independent, since then the dispute is there. The two heads of the state have not agreed on a common border, not acceptable to both the countries. But China is having the expansionist behavior, hegemonistic approach. It wants to grab the territory of all the neighboring countries. It wants to control over the South China Sea. It wants to become superpower. It wants to ruin the whole earth like Hitler. So that is the attitude of the Chinese government. In 1962, China attacked and killed our all thousands of soldiers. That is the attitude. Still, there has been also a foolish attitude from the Indian government. They have not forced the Chinese government to agree on a common line which can be real actual line of control. What we called LAC today. LAC, line of actual control, that should be declared as international border between China and India. But that is not been acceptable to China and India, so there is time to time some kind of conflict. Now in Ladakh area the conflict has become very tense. China is trying to enter into the Indian territory, but as Narendra Modi is an Iron Man of India, the Diamond Man, the disciple of Bhagat Singh, Subhash Bose Chandrasekhar Azad, and the student of Sardar Patel, he will not yield an inch. So he has sent all his soldiers. The Chinese, Xi Jinping has sold his soldiers, and there is a clash between these two soldiers because they don't know exactly what is what. They don't accept the LAC. That is the greatest stupidity between the two heads of the country. Xi Jinping and Narendra Modi can only solve the dispute for all time to come. But these people are not coming to the negotiating table. This is the problem. Our innocent soldiers, they are being killed. Shame on these two heads of the state. Why soldiers should die? What is their mistake? They have to protect the border. They are not having the power to declare what is actual line of control. That's the problem. Understand? And that's the solution. Solution is Xi Jinping and Narendra Modi should sit together, hours together, as Narendra Modi has invited Xi Jinping several times. They have been swinging in Gujarat. They have been drinking coconut water in Tamil Nadu. Now they should sit together. But you will ask, what is the solution? War! No! No war! No war! War is never the solution. Only peace. These problems are man-made. Man should not go for war. Peace. Only peace. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.